What's education if it doesn't bring in change? Karnavati University. Spread over 33 acres of land, Karnavati University aims to develop professionals with human values with well-rounded personalities, ready to change the world. Karnavati University holds a huge umbrella of colleges. Karnavati School of Dentistry, United World School of Law, United World School of Business, United World School of Liberal Arts and Mass Communication, United World Institute of Design, and our new addition this year, the United World School of Computational Intelligence, offering students the concepts of data analytics, artificial intelligence and robotics. We provide career counseling, mentoring, on-ground assistance through internships, training, campus placements, industry interactions and much more, opening up the world of diverse opportunities. When the students take their first step into the campus, they are greeted by the positive vibe and energy of Karnavati University. We focus on complete holistic learning environment for the growth and development of each student. We understand the need to have a home away from home for the students, which is safe and secure. Our student hostel accommodation provides a peaceful study environment of international standards with a humongous green campus equipped with everything you need. Begin your day with a delectable breakfast at the mess, which provides a modern hygienic setup serving quality food. Anti-clock and open cafeteria creates a beautiful ambience to sit out, ideate and jam with your friends. Our key aim is not only to foster high professional talent, but also to create a unique value through the diversity of our students. We support this diverse culture by celebrating every festival joyously with our entire KU community. We ensure that the students enjoy an active lifestyle through various sports activities, through our recreational infrastructure on campus. We have a non-compromising outlook towards student well-being and health, which is evident through our on-campus clinic and official tie-ups with multi-specialty hospitals. Our in-house transportation runs through Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, making commuting easy for the students. At Karnavati University, we strive to push the limits of creativity and knowledge. Thinking beyond the ordinary, we create a realm of new ideas like our Youth Parliament of India, a forum to expose the students to politics, dialogue and democracy. Ahmedabad's Design Week, a vibrant collage of designs and breakthrough ideas. All throughout the year, many youth festivals, fashion shows and exhibitions keep the energies up. Karnavati University aims to create a youthful success story of each student. We promise to endeavor a holistic environment of new learnings by becoming the wind beneath your wings, enabling you to fly high the new heights of success. Karnavati University.